Let's look at the small cap 2000 index chart. IWM for stocks, M2K for micro futures. This is hourly chart with extended trading sessions for the past 2 months. On the far right, it shows 2-month total volume distribution. You see, it is at the bottom 1/3 of the 2 months range. It got beat up pretty badly. The index is very bearish right now. The bears have total control. Can bears continue to drive the index lower? Sure it can. Anything is possible. If you are on the sell side and want to drive the price lower, what would you do? Would you sell the market? How would you sell the market? You probably want to wait for the market buyers to drive the market higher and sell it at higher price. Probably you had to wait until the price reach 1840 or 1860, or even better, wait for it reaches the heavy resistance like 1900. Look for double top and it's good time to sell. What if you are the buyer? Where would you buy at the market? You might want to see the price fall back to the overnight session of 1720 and buy at the level there.